Okay, so right now we are heading towards the center of Latin Quarters, and the traffic here is absolutely crazy. They have some directions here. Everything looks in Spanish. What is that? Okay, it's this way. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah. Okay, so apparently this part of the country was taken over by the Portuguese. Yeah. Okay, so it does have a bit of a Portuguese architecture. And yeah.
Can you take a picture of me on this tree?
Yeah, okay, Sophia wants a picture. Babe, it's just a video so you can get out anything. Yep. Be good. Okay, so what? Okay, so it does look a lot Portuguese, eh? Like Spanish almost, right? Yeah, I mean, just this area, it feels like you have been transported to like a different country. The shade feels really nice. Yeah, this is like not, okay, this is not like modern Portugal either, right? This is more like some old school Portuguese buildings. Okay, so Sofia is saying that this looks a lot like Madeira. So, okay, do we still want to go to Madeira then?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this building is really pretty. This is called the Flower Lab, and it has nice flower paintings all over. I think they just sell fake flowers there. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to check out the church here. It's a traditional and or a classical old school like white building church. Yeah, let me show you the views.
It looks like a church.
It looks like a church. That's it.
Yeah.
And there are some houses on the side with cats chilling on
that's true.
on the wall. Hey, this looks. Wait, so this is how old Portuguese houses look like
This photography not allowed on the houses.
with the backdrop of the house. Oh, you're not supposed to be taking pictures here. Okay, the church looks great though. Big goods and stuff. No, it does feel a lot like. Okay, this kind of feels like South America to me. I know, yeah. It doesn't feel like Portugal at all, but this feels like
This is not like
Latin America. Really? I know.
the colors were not that bad.
Yeah. I mean, okay, colors are different, but the houses and stuff, right? It looks similar.
I don't think the architecture.
Really? It looked same. Okay. Let's see.
Similar.
Okay, so maybe we need to go to like Portugal, like Lisbon. Lisbon would have something, right?
I need to go visit the piano. It's the one that met her baby.
Yeah.
And he's our
Look at these
baby.
narrow streets.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is like San Francisco.
Yeah?
Yeah, like the level stairs and the houses.
Really?
Yeah, like
It's a
if
really pretty house.
which one? Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Can we ask someone
Yeah,
to
the
take a
houses
picture?
here. Next of the house.
Yeah.
Sure.
Prettier than the church.
Let's go and explore like more pretty buildings. So all the Portuguese, they basically live here. Interesting. I mean, apart from like narrow streets, Like it does have a different feel and vibe to it. We could have actually stayed here in an,
No.
in an Airbnb here. Why? Why not?
Airbnb is perfect.
Okay. Yeah, our Airbnb is like next to a beach, so I guess, yeah, I guess that's good as well. Yeah, but yeah, we also have a pool, but we haven't checked it out here. Yeah, so I think that's where the main street is. So let's check out the other narrow streets.
You remember where we parked
Is yeah, like Sifa Cafe. Yeah, that's it. That's all I remember. But these things are at a slope. Those, I mean, they are just like decoration pieces. That's it.
But I've seen a lot of them. Like,
Oh yeah, but all these houses, they look. I mean, I don't know. They look like Latin America to me. I don't know. I still can't get over that. Yeah. It's still pretty though.
That is pretty. You want to stop at a cafe?
Sure, yeah. Let's stop at a cafe if you find one. Yeah, more pretty views of the Latin quarters. I think that is it. Okay, let's head this way. Okay, let's stop at a bakery if you find one, eh?
Yeah, I want coffee.
I don't want coffee.
And
But yeah, I would definitely like some patisserie. Wait, that's French. It's so funny, like every single time I think of anything else, like anything, I mean, maybe it's like Canadian thing, right? If it's not English, it's just French. Whatever it is. Bombay Coffee Roasters, yeah? It looks like a cool place.
Yeah.
Here, yeah? Yeah, let's head in. Okay, so we go in. Okay, so we're going into this Bombay Cafe Roasters. And we're greeted with the smell of coffee. That's the best thing. Yeah, it's a nice day out, I would say. Like, you know, if you're in Goa, you gotta check this out. Okay, let's show you guys the views on that side.
go down this road?
Okay, yeah. I think there's a pastry. There's a patisserie at the end. What do you call bakery in Portuguese or Spanish?
Yeah, I'm gonna say it in Spanish and I have the accent in French.
Okay.
So it'd be a Padano de Yosh. Padano de
Okay,
Yosh.
I know. I will stick with a patisserie.
Padano de Yosh.
Yeah, French pastries are. I know. French pastries are better, as far as I have all the pastries that I've tried, except flan, except like flan. That's it. Okay, I don't understand the point of this place though. So they basically, okay, so what happened is that the Portuguese came here, they
In what year?
colonized this area,
In what year?
then they left, and now it's taken over by, I guess, Indians. Yes, this is our country. But then they are like no pictures, as if like this is, I don't know, what does it do? Okay, we could go there. Yeah, okay, so we could go on that side.
Areas open for residents and must maintain silence.
Yeah, this is another very quaint and calm street with very old and traditional looking homes. Yeah, okay, just this street. Like this street reminds, yeah, this street reminds me of like maybe what Portugal would have been in like 200 years ago or something, right? Yeah, babe, of course. Like this, I mean, this would be like countryside Portugal. But is countryside Portugal like this?
Yeah. In Madrid.
Okay, in Madeira, right? But it doesn't look countryside at all. I mean, or maybe countryside is like that. I thought like countryside is places are a bit more open, right? Like there are a lot more.
You know, like the town.
Yeah. Okay, so countryside. According to Sophia, yeah, countryside. Yeah, Portugal might look like this.
Madeira.
Yeah, Madeira. Okay.
Not in this little.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, so this part does look a lot. Okay, I would say this part looks a lot more like what traditional old Portugal would have looked. Wants to go back to India. She had enough of Portugal. Okay, let's head back. Okay, so I think we can go and check out other parts of South Goa or Goa in general. Now it's time to check something else out. Okay, let's go this way, then we'll make a turn this way. Yep.
Oh, okay. Can I sit on this?
Yeah, you gotta sit on this. Unfortunately, you have no choice, Sophia. Okay, go. Let's go. Sophia seems to like this so much that it makes us sing. Okay, so let's check out this part of
Let's try to find a shape.
a shady. You wanna be like a shady?
That's not what I meant. Go right. This way.
Okay, we can go right here. Or okay, let's go across this. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, so they seem to have like the same style of architecture as what we saw previously.
This looks like he wrote, what's it called? Exactly the same.
Yeah. That if you're gonna say something, you gotta come closer to me on this side, on the left side, and say, yeah, microphone is on that side. Okay, maybe make a turn here. Yeah.
What is legal typing?
Legal or legal?
Legal.
I have no idea. Oh wait, this is where we are. Yeah, they are actually playing Macarena here. Oh, that's very funny. With that silly dance. Uh-oh. Okay, so we'll just breeze through this. Yeah, the Latin quarters are interesting, that's it.
Gotta turn left at some point.
Yeah, okay, so we'll just... Okay, how about this? Let's breeze through the Latin quarters again.
Right.
Yeah, just for fun. Let's take a right here, or... Nice, they have a dog. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we'll go take a left here. And go past the basilica, the white basilica. I think it would actually be fun driving like in these like narrow streets. There's a person. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Great, we hit a traffic jam.
It says you have to go.
We can't go straight? Okay.
This is a dead end.
For some reason, like everyone is trying to speak English here and with a very strong Indian accent. But like you know, yeah, there are two different kinds of Indian accents. One is like a simple Indian accent. The other one is like pretending to be like a bit well off kind of accent. Or not about pretending, but like usually people who live in a bubble kind of accent. And
Rich Indians?
yeah, I would say that, but still, it's very pretentious. It sounds pretentious. I'm hating that a lot.
It's like the people in Latin America who pretend to have a Spanish accent from Spain.
Could be, yeah, could be something like that. I'm hating that a lot for some reason. I don't know. Makes me wanna like not be here at all. Like, yeah, okay, let's go here, out of here. It's just a cash grab place. There's like nothing, no charm here. Apart from the charm of the architecture, of course. Also, hopefully we'll find a spot from here. Also, I feel like I've been trashing
You're like,
this
what?
place. I feel like I've been trashing this place a lot. It's actually not. Okay, I apologize if it sounds like trashing. It's not that bad. It's definitely worth a visit. It's a really nice, decent place to see. Like
Yeah, it's really
for a while. Yeah, it is beautiful. Like it's the architecture is very different than what you would see anywhere else actually. So it's definitely worth a visit. Okay, now
There's like Portuguese language everywhere as well, which is an interesting. It's a very unique mix that I think you wouldn't see anywhere else, like Hindi and Portuguese.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, yeah. I mean, like there are a lot of places which still have Portuguese name. The road directions and the road signs are in Portuguese. Yeah, it's a very interesting mix of Hindi and Portuguese, essentially. Okay, babe, where? Left, right. Okay, now on to the next adventure.